really nice, deep inhale. We're going to reach our arms up. Exhale, our arms just going to reach back down.
Balancing the body and mind isn't just for grown-ups.
And this is called down dog.
Kids are joining in the fun too at the Civic Center's monthly family yoga classes.
It was pretty awesome.
Good. We feel a stretch in our legs.
Certified yoga instructor Jen Cohen leads families through easy-to-follow moves that increase flexibility, muscular strength, and endurance.
I did the frog, Warrior 1, Warrior 2, Child's Dance, and a lot of other cool things.
Jen's teaching style is very kid-friendly, and Jamar and Ellie are focused on the fun.
They definitely get the concept of yoga.
Hello, Camera.
And especially the way Jen taught the class. You know, she made the cat sound and the cow sound and the different animals, and it made it fun for them.
Jen Principato has been practicing yoga for a long time, and she thought this was the perfect opportunity to get her daughter involved.
Ellie and I do yoga in the morning sometimes, but I thought it'd be nice to get out and meet other people so she could see other kids doing yoga too, and just have a little bit of a social time as well as doing some good yoga.
The parents enjoy it, and the kids will definitely recommend it to their friends.
Because it was really fun. Yoga is really fun and really easy.
Family yoga is held the third Saturday of the month from 10 to 10:30 a.m. The cost is just $5 per family, and mats will be provided, or you can bring your own. For more information, call Jen Cohen at 561-309-4543. Join this fun and motivating yoga class that will benefit the whole family.